You gotta get up and move it, move it. You wanna lose weight? You wanna stay healthy? Gotta move it all day long. Turn the music on, move it. Hear that music? Come on, get the beat. Hello, hello, my friends. How are you? Let's pull this up a little. How are you today? It's your girl, Hungry Mama Me, in case you didn't know, or if you're new to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, thank you very, very much for stopping in. Well, pizza delivery was here. We're gonna have pizza tonight. And they left the bag. Isn't that so nice? No, not really. I'll show you this in a few minutes. Here's dinner. Looky there. I won't say, but for people who didn't see me yesterday, they won't know the difference. But this is the same thing I had yesterday. I hope you don't mind leftovers. But for all my friends, you know, we've talked about this more than once. I am not wasting no more food. Every penny I get, where's it going? It's going towards that automobile or whatever it's going to be that I'm going to travel around the country with. Yes, and I may live in it indefinitely. I haven't decided yet, but anyway, look what we have here. You know what, we just have to think of a different name. I think yesterday, I don't remember what I called this. I think yesterday I called it buffalo, spicy buffalo wing, rice and beans, or something like that. But we're gonna think of a different name because I added different things to it, you know, guys. So I did all my veggies. Oh, I know what I called it yesterday. I called it just a veggie dinner. Yeah, that's what it was called yesterday. And what I can tell you about this, it has my rice that I made a couple days ago. Still good. I still got another container of it, so I better eat that for lunch tomorrow, or because I'm not wasting it, no. And I don't like to freeze rice. It comes out soggy, I think. I don't know, but that's my opinion. So, if you remember, I have my rice and my beans. You know what? This isn't the one that I did. No, this isn't the one that I did the buffalo sauce with. I was going to add some buffalo sauce to this, but I did not. I did the roasted tomatoes and the black beans and peas and carrots and onions and rice and celery and garlic. And then I put Daya cheese on the top. Yes, I did. And then I also, I didn't feel like carrying out the Valentina, but I did put some of that on top. Right there. See that? See that Valentina on top? Yep. So, we've had some really miserable weather today. It was 100 degrees out, and the humidity, It must have been, with the humidity, it must have been 120 out. I don't know exactly. I'm sure it wasn't that hot, but darn. I went to the grocery store today with my daughter, and when we got out of the car, no kidding, it literally felt like the sun was just baking on our skin like we were in the oven. It was horrible today. But I better start eating this before it gets cold. Because who likes cold food? Comment below if you do. Not this girl. But this was a really, really good dinner that I made. It was pretty tasty. Now I'm going to give you a taste. Go ahead, tell me how it tastes. It really is yummy. I don't always like leftovers. Sometimes I get tired of it, you know what I mean? I mean, I do like leftovers if it's like chili or something like that, but something like this I get tired of like real quick, even though it's so good. My vegetables still are a little bit al dente, which makes it nice. Yum, yum, yum. I was going to make this, and I probably really should have. I was going to put it on, they're not called burritos. I was going to make it into a burrito. Tortilla? I don't eat this stuff, so I truly don't know. But I was going to put it on the flatbread. And make it into a burrito. The way I ate all my life, I can't say I ever did burritos, that I ever did fajitas. Just like, I guess, I don't want to say American food, because, well, yeah, maybe. You know, when I had all my kids and stuff growing up, we did meatloaf, we did hot dogs. Yeah, that's right, I said hot dogs. We did spaghetti, you know, just a regular American food. I don't think, not one night, when I was raising my children, did I ever make tacos. No. Lasagna, manicotti, you know, all food like that. Italian American. That's what we had mostly. That's like, you know, I go to the grocery store with my daughter today, and she was going over what she was going to have the next couple days. And I don't know if any of you know what pasta vazol is, but she was making pasta vazol. That's an Italian dish. If you guys have been to Olive Garden, they serve pasta vazol at the Olive Garden. Everybody makes pasta vazol different. I did make it once before on my channel, and I love it. We make it with beans and noodles, and we don't make it like a soup. We make it a little bit thicker than that. So she was having pasta vazol, and tomorrow night she was having hot dogs on rolls with a side dish. And what else did she tell me? Oh, I think one night fried chicken. So, you know, that's how we always ate. So when I talk about this fajitas and burritos and even tortilla chips, it's foreign to me, totally foreign. If we were going to have a chip, we were going to have a potato chip. So, and she's my daughter, I raised her, so, you know, she took it from me, I guess. So, oh, my daughter was telling me, they're so excited. Oh, before I get too far into my video, let me just do a shout out for Matt. You know, I told you yesterday about Matt, or even the day before, whenever. A couple times I've talked about Matt. Matt is my little nephew who's 10 years old, and he's the sweetest little boy ever. And he loves getting a shout out. So here's to you, Matt. Aunt Mimi loves you. Mwah. And also, I love all you guys. I truly do. You guys are the nicest people. I do read my comments. I truly do. I go to write back to you, and you know, I'm either jumping up, taking care of my aunt, doing something for my 17-year-old Junie, or I have the baby. Life is busy, but I see your comments, guys. I do got to do a shout out. Next couple days I'll do that. Anyway, my daughter called me, yes, last night. And she said, oh my God, they were so excited. My one niece won tickets to Kids Bop. I'm sure everybody's heard of Kids Bop. If you've ever had kids, or you've been a kid, recently, you know what Kid Bop is. Bunch of different singers. I think what they do is redo very popular songs, and they put together a really super act, and they're really good entertainers. They're young kids. They're all young kids. So my niece, who also has a daughter who is Bella's age. Hi, Yvette. She won these tickets, and not only did she win the tickets, but she won back stage passes. So she invited Bella and my daughter to go. So those kids are so super excited. It's Saturday night. Bella's been getting to do all kinds of things with my niece. My niece is very active with her daughter. She has one other son who's much older. He's about 20, at least 20, I guess now. So they've been inviting Bella to do all these things with them. And Bella is just so happy. Because of my daughter with the baby and stuff, yeah, I keep the baby, but I don't have him every day. She's very limited to what she can do with the kids. So it's really nice that my niece is doing this for Bella. I remember last summer, Mia, who was the 13-year-old, Bella used to cry, "How come Mia gets to do everything? Mia goes to her girlfriends. Mia does this. Mia's going to parties. Mia's..." And I said to her, "Bella, your day will come. It really, really will, where you'll be able to do things like this." See, Bella, got your back. Told you so. So it's really nice. All day today. Even though this is delicious, I was thinking of everything I could have for supper but this. But then I said, you know, it was so good, I'm not going to waste it. And I'm not going to waste it anyway. Why go out and buy something when I got it at home, right? I can't tell you, when I was doing mukbangs and I didn't want to eat the same thing the next day because, you know, I didn't want you to think I'm, you know, you try to put on a nice video. Well, I ate that yesterday. What's there to show you today if I'm eating the same thing? And the food would wind up going bad. And I'd have to throw it away. It's such a waste. I don't believe in wasting food like that. So I'm so glad you guys are being understanding. You know, that I don't want to waste this food. So it looks like it's going to rain. It's getting really dark outside. It's only like 6 o'clock. I gotta start doing some cooking videos too, some recipes. I haven't put any up in maybe a couple weeks now. I'd like to get some videos up. And I'm sure, since I'm trying to really reduce my food budget, you're going to see a lot of vegan eating going on here. We all know. Like I said yesterday, I'm not really vegan. I'm going to say I'm vegetarian. If you want to give it a title. I don't really like titles. But no meat will ever touch these lips again. No. Alright, so my friends, let's show you what I got. And I was going to do an unboxing, but guess what? My two boys got to it this morning. I took the box and I put it in the living room so that I could do the unboxing. And even though Judy's going to be 18 and Nino's too, they had to, you know, they were so excited about the box. Nino more so, of course. But I said, oh, open it. It's not a big deal. Go ahead. Nino loves boxes. He loves to see what's in them. So let's pull it out. Now, he set it up this morning, Junie, to show me. So, let's see if I can show you. It's not heavy. It probably weighs maybe 10 pounds. But I'm going to move this way. See this, guys? So, what this is, I'm going to bring it over so you can see. The lighting might be a little different now. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 seats. And you can use these as seats. You can use these if you want to sit down and you're out and eat something on them. So yeah, I think it really comes in handy. So, that's my very first thing that I got. And I'm sure, you know, I thought even, like when we go to the kids' games or whatever, you know, they're playing baseball, whatever, you know, we all sit down. You know how sometimes you want to sit and there's no place to sit? My daughter, me, a couple of the kids, whatever, we all sit down. So yeah, I thought it was a really great idea. Easy peasy. So, my very first thing, I'm very excited about it for my travels. Anyway, my friends, we're almost to the end of the video. And thank you so much for coming and visiting and having dinner with me and allowing me to come into your home and you to come into my home. And you know the deal. Subscribe, like, comment if you would, please. Also, bam! That little bell right there, please don't forget to give it a little ring-a-ding-ding, please. And down in my description box, I have my Instagram, I have my Twitter, and I have my P.O. box. So if you'd like to write to me, please do so. So until I see you tomorrow, this is Hungry Mama Me, sending all my love your way, and I'll be seeing ya.